Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Clarity. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4. Come take a test drive today.
With Honda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.